What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Today it is raining in Arizona, so I'm actually I came to the machine shop. As I had mentioned to you guys, I wanted to come drop off my head and that head to that 2G that I'm working on. So I have the heads right here. I have them in, both of them are in bags. We're currently at my machine shop guy. This guy hooks it up. He's always done all my work for me, and he's always done a good job. So I came, dropped off those heads. Today's plan was actually, I'll explain to you guys actually a little bit when I get home, because I want to get these heads off. But yeah, guys, we're having some fun in the 1G. You know what I'm saying? Rain in some all-wheel drive equals fun. So yeah, guys, let me drop off these heads, and then I'll talk to you guys when I get home. What is going on, guys? It is currently the next day. Yesterday I didn't really do anything because of the whole rain. It was raining really hard, so I didn't get to even mess around with the cars. It was cold, and we don't get a lot of rain here in Arizona, so when it rains like that, I like to chill. But like I had said, I talked a little fast in the car. I did drop off the head to my Evo at the machine shop, and I did drop off the head to that 2G. The one on my Evo is gonna need some work, so he already called me and told me that some valves were messed up, which I knew, and the one on the DSM, believe it or not, some valves are also leaking on that car. So he told me from the fourth cylinder, which makes sense because it's the one that blew up. The machine shop guy called me and he told me that intake and exhaust valves were leaking from this head. So yeah, guys, those two heads are at the machine shop, and we're gonna get those done. But meanwhile, for today, what I want to do is I want to disassemble this block. Man, look, I already started. Has it ever happened to you guys where you just work on something really fast and then you just throw it on the floor, and then next time you just throw something else on the floor, and then next thing you know, boom, you have this big huge mess. So kind of gotta stay on top of cleaning up that. Original plan that day was to head to Andy's house, but I'll get to that in a separate video and when we're ready for that. But yeah, guys, today what I want to do is finish disassembling this assemble. We also have the block that I picked up from my friend, and we have it at the machine shop. So the machine guy's gonna go ahead and get to that whenever he has time. But today I want to disassemble everything. We're gonna use all this. We're gonna use that water pump, all that's new. Alrighty, so I took off a lot of the stuff already. I mean, it's really easy to pull all this stuff out. I'm gonna go ahead and take off this bracket right here, the ARPs in this bracket, so I can flip the motor over, take off the oil pan, and then I'll be able to pull out the oil pump. So, and I also have to take off the flywheel still on there too. But yeah, guys, let me take off these ARPs so I can flip her over. Alrighty guys, so we have the oil pan off, and geez, we just have parts. And check out, this is the end of a rod. Just, we have a whole, just a whole bunch, you know what I'm saying? Stuff that we can just put back together and hope it works again. But look, here's some more of the piston. There we go. So we got this rod out, check it out. Ooh, this is for the cylinder. This is the one that went out, and yeah, completely out. Looking good, looking good. That's a nice looking rod. But yeah guys, check it out, man. Jeez, this, I've taken engines apart, but not like this bad. The ones on that when I took on my Evo, you know, just a cracked piston. But man, nothing this. I mean, check it out. I can literally grab a handful and still have a bunch left in there. So I'm gonna go ahead, pull this shield off, put the oil pickup, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pull off the oil pump and just continue on going, guys. So stick around. Alrighty guys, so I got the flywheel off. Last things I'm gonna do is pull off this little this is like a little cover that goes behind the rear main seal, and then the seal goes in. And then I'll remove the crank out. I want to check out the crank. I got the flywheel also. So yeah guys, let me go ahead and pull that off. Alrighty guys, there she is. Yeah, the crank is gonna be trash. Look at this. This where the fourth piston went is it's pretty bad. So luckily we do have another crank on that on the other block. But here are the other three pistons, and well, there's your block, which is pretty much trash. And here we have all your other stuff. But this was a poor rod that took it all and bent the rod, you know. But yeah, guys, there you guys have it. But like I was saying, we do have another crank in that mortar that I got from my friend. Like I said, it rained on it quite a bit, so it was sitting for a long time. But my machine guy said that he's gonna go ahead and see if he can, you know, save that block, you know, hopefully rehone it, and then we should be good. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. It's just a little short part 2 of the tear down on the 2G. That's all we have left. Now all we honestly have now is to wait on the machine shop so I can get that block back, and then have the head ready, and then, you know, start ordering parts so I can know the size of pistons, obviously, from the machine shop. You know, either if he's gonna rehone it or if he's gonna rebore it, so I can know what size pistons and everything to get. So waiting on him. He does have a lot of work. Like I say, he's always busy, but he does awesome work, so it's all worth the wait. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys subscribe button, and please give it that like. I'm always out for some tips. And if you guys do not follow me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram at 4G63Addict. But have a good one, guys. I will catch you guys in the next one.